How to record screen on Vimeo PC. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to record screen on Vimeo PC. So all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to Vimeo. This is the home page, as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is so simple. Just go right here to new video and go down. You will find record screen. Click on it. And now, as you can see, all what you have to do is download this one. It's for free. And after you download it, it's gonna be on your Chrome. Click add to Chrome. Click add extensions. And now, as you can see, it's downloaded successfully. Now, it's so easy. You can use it anytime you want. As you can see here, all what you have to do is click on it and click allow or block microphone. Now, as you can see, you can start recording your screen or your camera or bot if you are streaming. Now, as you can see, all what you have to do is click start recording and it's gonna be start recording your screen. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.